From World of Concrete 2019 here at Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm with Randy Hayes, who's product manager and I'm saying whatever, VP of Business Development. How does that sound?
That sounds good.
With Vacuworx.
Appreciate it. Thank
nice
you,
to
Roger.
see you.
It's nice
Welcome
to see you
aboard.
again, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Coming inside to warm up, I understand,
It
from
helps.
that cold booth outside.
Yes, sir. A little chilly yesterday.
A little chilly yesterday, and today likewise. But
probably
sun
so.
seems a bit brighter this morning.
Hopefully the wind will die down. That will help dramatically. So, yes, sir.
Folks, you can't understand how cold Vegas can be in the month of January, but it was yesterday, and I'm sure will be today too. Anyway, that's beside the point. You've got a new piece of equipment to talk about.
Yes, sir. We introduced some new equipment here a couple of years ago, and we've made some modifications to it and made it more of a modular system. The SL2 is the product. The base of that used to be stationary to where people just had one size to deal with. So now we've actually changed that and made that more of a modular system to where that base can be replaced and use smaller pads or larger pads, depending on the application.
And moved around the job site?
Absolutely. So it's very lightweight. It only weighs 98 pounds, but can pick up 2,700 pounds. So for handling concrete, putting it on lightweight applications, different machines, it's very just a great opportunity for guys to use.
Now you pick up slabs and everything?
Concrete slabs, steel plate, flat steel plate, anything that basically you can create a vacuum on, that this little unit can pick it up.
So all you need is a flat surface, actually.
Pretty much, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we've made some improvements in our hydraulic system for that unit as well, so we can put it on a variety of pieces of equipment now. So that's helped. We think will help people, the contractors that we're working with too. So.
Do you find a lot of new applications for this equipment?
Absolutely, yes. With all the demolition, the saw cutting, drilling association that we became a member of as well, we've partnered up with some other companies, over the last few months that have given us opportunities for more distribution opportunities out there. But the distribution, the demolition market, the saw cutting market, with all the infrastructure work that's going on and the finances that are being, allocated to that market, we see a tremendous opportunity for this equipment. So.
Really? Now, there's another event that you're marking this year, isn't that something?
Absolutely.
What an anniversary.
Absolutely, our 20-year anniversary. We're real excited. Bill Solomon, our president, we started the company back in 1999, and we're celebrating our 20-year anniversary this year. I believe in May is the actual month, but yeah, we've all got our 20-year anniversary apparel on out there and celebrating. It's a real exciting time for Vacuworx. So we're really
time flies, doesn't it?
Whether you're having fun or not. Yes, sir.
Whether you're having fun
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whether you're freezing in a booth
That's
or not.
exactly right. Yes, sir.
Yeah, amazing. It's just amazing. A lot of companies are celebrating for some reason or another anniversaries this year, and I find it a marked occasion on their part because it's something to take pride in.
Absolutely. Yeah, a lot of pride in the fact that we all, the company is a pretty tight-knit group. We work very well together.
So it's like a family.
Just pretty much like a family. You're absolutely right. So it's that environment that we work in, and we try to work well together, and just with that thought in mind, that we are a family. We spend more time together there than we do with our own families a lot of times. So we try to make the best of it. So real excited.
So what else do you have in the works at Vacuworx? Anything else coming on the market soon?
We're continually looking at new products and new opportunities. Our core business over the last 20 years has been more focused on the oil and gas pipeline market. We can handle a variety of types of pipe. So the pipeline market has been extremely good this last year, and expectations are really strong for this year as well. So we're looking forward to another great successful year in that market, and just building up these new products and new markets with the infrastructure side, trying to diversify, gives us new opportunities in totally different markets that we haven't been in before, and gives our sales guys, makes them more excited to go out and sell something.
Absolutely.
They've got new products to offer. So we're continually looking at new applications and new opportunities in a variety of markets.
Way to go.
Yes, sir.
Randy Hayes with Vacuworx. Appreciate you stopping by, taking time out of a busy day to be with us and impart your message.
I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, sir.
You're more than welcome, sir. More than welcome. From World of Concrete 2019.